Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com bringing you a review of a Henry Margu wig called Meredith, and the color is 131 GR, which is a really great rooted dynamic red. As you can see, this is kind of like a dark brown blended with like a fire red. Really pretty color, super cool. And then it's got this dark brown root. And since I'm already in here, let me show you the mono top. Meow. Because this wig has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top. As you can see up close, it's super pretty, really vibrant. It's just a really intense red, but it's still very, very dynamic, and that rooting just really kind of makes it pop. Let me show you what Meredith looks like on all sides. Now, I haven't done anything to this wig. I just kind of shook her up and fluffed her up a little bit with my fingers. Super cute. Like, this is a very easy wig to wear. It's kind of a wavy, I mean, it's not really curly, but it's kind of like a wavy, sort of shaggy cut. It's got a lot of layering. Most of the volume's like right in here, you know, but it's just really low fuss and easy peasy. The front is 4.5 inches. The top down is 3.5, so it's kind of short up here in the topmost layers. Heavily layered all over though, and the nape is 4.5, so it's a little longer here, right here at the nape, which is super cute. And this is only 2.5 ounces, so it's super light too. I think this one is absolutely just delightful and super easy to wear. Let me go ahead and take Meredith off so I can show you the cap construction. Okay, so Meredith has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top. Also has a really generous piece of polyurethane right at the front hairline. You can put adhesive there if you need it. Also, very generous bits of polyurethane right here on both the ear tabs, and they're really nice and gummy too. Oh, I love that. So if you don't have any hair here on the sideburn area, that will be sticky on its own, or you could put tape there too. Then we have an extended nape, but it's not all felt, it's open. And then you can also, you know, use these Velcro adjusters in the back with a little teeny bit of felt that is back there. It's open wefted on the back and sides. It's not a super stretchy wig, so if you have a big head, this one's not going to be super accommodating for you, I'm afraid. But everybody else is going to be in great shape with this one. Here is what the back of Meredith looks like. Again, all I did was fluff her and shake her a bit, and she's got this dynamite texture ready to go right out of the box. Gorgeous coloring. Just really dynamic, beautiful coloration. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put Meredith back on, so you can see what she looks like again. Gonna shift her around a little bit for you. Kind of see what happens. It's an experiment. This color looks so cool on this wig. So there you have it. This is the CysterWigs review of the Meredith wig by Henry Margu in the color 131 GR, which is a really cool, rooted, vibrant red color. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs at CysterWigs.com. Please be sure to check out my store if you get a chance, and until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.